Our idea is to provide communication between the victims affected in the calamities and the rescuers. This is possible by connecting the remote devices of the victims to the hotspot to which the server is also connected. We have created an Azure account and deployed an Ubuntu 18.04 LTS virtual machine, and this machine is used to act as a server. Another virtual machine is created to act as the client. The client-server environment is explained here. Now let us see the implementation. First is the client program. In this program, the input is given by the person in need, and that will be sent to the server, that is the rescuer. Now the client and server program is run. The server is started. The message given by the client is sent to the server. Next, let us see the practical implementation of the communication between two devices. Both client and server are connected to the same hotspot without any internet access. This can be implemented when some natural calamities happen and there is no internet access. This device, which acts as a client, is connected to a hotspot. This is the client program. Now we will discuss the working of this program. Frame is used here to provide the GUI. These are all the components that are declared for the frame. This part is for adding the components into the frame, and corresponding listeners are used. This command is for creating the socket. These statements are used to send the data entered by the client to the server through the socket. Now, let us go for the implementation. Here comes the console. When the client This client will be connected to the server. When the client enters any query here and clicks the send button, the message is sent to the server. After receiving the message, the server sends an acknowledgement or helping message to the client. This also acts as a bot and further communications can be done. Now let us see the server end. Similarly, a GUI interface is used to receive the messages that are sent by the client. Now, let us see the implementation of the server. When the client sends any messages, the server will be able to see it in the console. The server can reply to the message that is sent by the client. When send is clicked, the message is sent to the client.